Can science and religion coexist in harmony? A question that stirs great debate among scholars, scientists, and theologians alike. It's a conundrum as old as time, a tug-of-war between empirical evidence and spiritual beliefs, between the observable universe and the unseen dimensions of faith. This dichotomy, this apparent divide, has been the bedrock of many a heated debate. There are those who stand firm on the shores of science, their feet planted in the tangible, the measurable, the provable. Then there are those who tread the waters of religion, buoyed by faith, guided by divine scripture, and comforted by spiritual rituals. Yet the question remains, must these two worlds be at odds? Is there room for an intertwining of these seemingly disparate realms? Could the rigors of scientific exploration coexist with the profound depths of spiritual faith? One man, Francis S. Collins, has lived this conflict and found his harmony. Francis S. Collins, a renowned scientist, former director of the Human Genome Project, once an atheist, made a journey towards belief in a creator God. Our story begins with a young Francis Collins, a man with an insatiable curiosity and a mind that hungered for knowledge. His early life was shaped by a strong focus on learning, an interest in the natural world, and a skepticism towards the concept of a higher power. Yes, like many scientists, Collins started his journey as an atheist, steadfast in his belief that the world could be explained purely by empirical evidence and scientific reasoning. As he grew older, his fascination with the natural world led him to the field of medicine, where he sought to unravel the complexities of the human body. This eventually led him to genetics, the science of heredity and variation in living organisms. Here, he found a new realm to explore, one that promised to shed light on the mysteries of life itself. Collins's work in genetics eventually led him to the helm of the Human Genome Project, an ambitious endeavor that aimed to map the entire human genome. This was no small task. The human genome, the complete set of genes or genetic material present in a cell or organism, is a complex and intricate code that holds the blueprint for life. Under Collins's leadership, the Human Genome Project made significant strides. His team worked tirelessly, unraveling the complex strands of DNA, identifying genes, and uncovering the secrets of heredity. It was a monumental task, one that required not just scientific expertise, but also a deep understanding of the fundamental questions of life. And as he delved deeper into the mysteries of the human genome, Collins began to question his atheistic beliefs. The precision, the intricacy, the sheer complexity of it all stirred something within him. He began to see a harmony in the chaos, a design in the randomness, a sense of purpose in the seemingly purposeless. But the more he delved into the mysteries of the human genome, the more he felt a pull towards something beyond science. As Collins delved deeper into the mysteries of the human genome, he started to see the hand of a creator in the precision of physical constants. This turning point in Collins' life was not an overnight occurrence, but a gradual shift from atheism to belief, a journey marked by profound insights and a growing appreciation for the intricacies of the universe. At the heart of this shift was a fundamental scientific concept, the Big Bang Theory. This theory, which posits that the universe began from a singularity around 14 billion years ago, became a beacon for Collins. He saw in the Big Bang not just a scientific reality, but a moment of divine creation. The concept that everything we know, every star, every planet, every life form originated from a singular point was a revelation in itself. It pointed towards a genesis, a beginning, a creator. Then there were the physical constants, those numbers that define the universe as we know it. Constants like the speed of light or the gravitational constant, which are so finely tuned that if they were even slightly different, the universe as we know it would not exist. For Collins, these constants were not mere numbers, they were signs of an intelligent design. The precision required for these constants to allow life to exist was, in Collins's view, too intricate to have occurred by chance. In his exploration of the human genome, Collins saw the same level of precision. The complexity and specificity of our DNA, the fact that a tiny change can have such a profound impact, further solidified his belief in a higher power. It was as if the more he understood about our genetic code, the more he could see the hand of a creator. This was the turning point for Collins, a moment of realization where science and faith ceased to be at odds and started to complement each other. He began to see the universe not as a product of random events, but as a symphony, a beautiful composition of laws and constants, life and matter, all pointing towards the existence of a higher power. The universe, according to Collins, was not an accident, but the result of an intelligent design. Collins argues that science and religion are not only compatible, but complementary. This is a profound perspective that challenges the often perceived conflict between these two domains. Collins, a man of both faith and science, presents an intriguing viewpoint that embraces the harmony of these two powerful forces. In his exploration of the human genome, Collins didn't find a reason to renounce his faith, but rather he found it strengthened. His work in the realm of genetics didn't undermine his belief in a creator. Instead, it provided him with a deeper understanding of the intricacies of life, further solidifying his conviction in a higher power. It's a view that suggests science isn't a threat to faith, but an affirmation of it. To Collins, every discovery, every breakthrough is a testament to the grandeur of the universe. The elegance of the genetic code, the precision of physical constants, the undeniable logic of evolution. All these are to him not contradictions of his faith, but affirmations of a master plan. The coexistence of science and religion in Collins's worldview is not a delicate balance, but a harmonious symphony. He perceives science as the study of the natural world and religion as the exploration of the moral and spiritual dimensions. These, he believes, are not mutually exclusive but mutually enriching. Think about it. Can the appreciation of a painting exist without understanding the brushstrokes that created it? Similarly, Collins's faith allows him to marvel at the universe, while science provides the tools to understand its workings. It's like appreciating the melody of a song and also understanding the notes that compose it. For Collins, science and religion are two sides of the same coin, each providing a unique perspective, but together forming a more complete understanding of our existence. He sees science as a means to explore God's creation, to appreciate the magnificence of the universe, and to unravel its mysteries, and in doing so, he finds his faith not diminished, but invigorated. This harmonious relationship between science and religion in Collins's perspective is a testament to the possibility of a dialogue, a symbiosis between these two spheres. It's an invitation to view science and religion not as adversaries in a zero-sum game, but as companions on a journey towards truth and understanding. For Collins, the mysteries of science only deepen his faith, and his faith only deepens his curiosity about the universe. His story is a testament to the potential for science and religion to coexist, to complement each other, and to offer a richer, more nuanced understanding of the world we inhabit. His journey illustrates that the pursuit of knowledge and the pursuit of faith are not incompatible paths, but parallel journeys that can lead to the same destination, a deeper understanding of our place in the universe. The journey of Francis S. Collins is a testament to the potential harmony between science and religion. We've journeyed through the life of Francis S. Collins, delving into his transition from atheism to a belief in a creator God, and explored the harmony he found between science and religion. He stood at the helm of the Human Genome Project, an achievement that stands as a beacon of scientific advancement, yet he found space for spiritual faith within his scientific worldview. In this exploration, we've seen how the apparent conflict between science and religion is not as cut and dry as it seems. Many see science and religion as two opposing forces, two different paths that lead in different directions. However, as we've seen through Collins's journey, the two can exist side by side, intertwining and enhancing each other in surprising and meaningful ways. Collins's experience shows us that the precision of physical constants, the intricate complexity of the human genome, and the grandeur of the universe revealed by the Big Bang Theory can all be seen as pointers to a higher power. He found that these scientific discoveries didn't detract from his faith, but rather they enhanced it, adding a layer of awe and wonder to his understanding of the divine. In essence, the harmony between science and religion is not about choosing one over the other, but about finding a space where both can coexist. It's about recognizing that science can answer the how questions of our existence, while religion can provide answers to the why questions. Both perspectives are valuable, both are necessary, and both can enrich our understanding of the world and our place within it. So we circle back to our initial question: can science and religion coexist in harmony? If we take a leaf from Collins' book, perhaps they can, and perhaps they already do.